I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get unlimited lives in Candy Crush. Are you tired of running out of lives and having to wait for them to refill, or even worse, spending your hard-earned money to keep playing? Well, you're in luck. There's a clever, widely known trick that allows you to bypass the life limit and enjoy continuous gameplay. This method is straightforward and can be done on most mobile devices, giving you endless fun. The very first step to unlocking endless lives is to disconnect your device from the internet. This is a crucial part of the process. You'll need to completely turn off both your Wi-Fi and your mobile data. Doing this ensures that the game cannot communicate with its servers, which is essential for the trick to work effectively. It's a simple but vital action to take before moving on to the next step. Next, you'll need to adjust your device's internal clock. Go into your phone or tablet settings, find the date and time section, and make sure to turn off any automatic time updates. Then, manually advance the date by at least one full day, or even 2 or 3 days if you prefer. This clever adjustment will trick the Candy Crush game into thinking enough time has passed for your lives to fully refill. Once you've adjusted the date, reopen the Candy Crush app. You should now see that your lives have been completely refilled, giving you a full set of 5. After confirming your lives are back, you can then go back to your device settings and revert your date and time to automatic. This ensures your device's clock is accurate again. Now, you're all set to enjoy playing with your newly refilled lives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.